Hey everybody, it's Patty from Chatty Patty's Place, and I want to tell you about some organizing bags. The New Year's coming, and I know that a lot of you want to start getting some organizing done in your home, and that may be one of your resolutions this year. I know it's one of mine. And these bags are designed to help you organize your life a little better. They're from Thirtyone. And Thirtyone is a direct selling organization. It was one of the top 20 organizations in 2017. And it's also recognized as one of the most influential women in direct selling organizations as well. All the products that are sold through independent sales consultants at home-based online parties or through retail ordering and seasonal catalogs. And they're available online as well as resources. And there's also a place to locate a nearby consultant if you go online. So you can book parties, and with as with the direct sale parties, you can earn points to get products such as these. So you can talk to one of your local consultants. I'll have some information on my site for you to locate a consultant in your area. I personally am not a consultant. However, I am an influencer, so I'm bringing these products to your attention to make you aware of them. So with the Thirtyone, how it works is they have catalogs, and the different catalogs come out throughout the season. This is going to be their February catalog, and you can see that there's a lot of beautiful bags in here, a lot of pretty handbags. And with the Thirtyone products, you can have them monogrammed and personalized, which is another nice thing about the Thirtyone products. And you can see all the different designs that are available and patterns. So it's really a nice, well-made product line. Just try to get this last page open for you. Okay, that's a nice, a lot of nice little cute little bags in there. And now this was their holiday catalog, and you can see in here as well all the different products that were available. And I'm going to be showing you this bag here. It's a Deluxe organizing utility tote that I received. It has a zip top, and it has outside pockets with exterior mesh pockets as well. And it's a pretty big bag, so I'll show you that. I just want to give you an idea of all the different types of products that you can get from the Thirtyone company. They even have some jewelry, and you can personalize even with different like pictures that they have that you can choose from, as you can see here. So really make it your own. Really cute different ways to monogram your bags, different types of styles of fonts and lettering, the different patterns, different thread colors. I can go on and on. So I guess it's really, really nice, cute bags. And here are 3 of the bags that are available that I want to tell you about. This was part of their holiday line. And any of you who have been following me on my website, www.chattypattysplace.com, so that we recently gave some of these away to some of our followers in one of our contests. This is what was one of the holiday utility bags. And it's a cute little bag. Nice deep pockets. It would be cute to give a little gift for the holidays. Has a nice ample, stays up straight, and it has hard, not hard, but sturdy corners that keep it open. It would be cute to plant, put a little planter in here and add some dirt and decorate for the holidays. Really, really cute little bag. Another bag that's nice is this little tote that comes with a little clip, so you can clip it on to your bigger bag, or really anywhere you want to. And it has a zipper closure. This would be great for your lunch. See, it has the lining on it to keep things cooler. It's wipeable, machine washable. I'll tell you right inside. Okay, it has an exterior care label. Oh, yeah, if I even have a little pocket out here. You can like throw water in here or whatever you want to do. So that's a really cute little bag to keep take along with you. You know, a lot of times too, if you have a pet, this is even honestly like a good little design for a pet, because you can put the pet food in here and stick your little bottle of water in here for your pet, and you can fit you can fit your pet bed in here and blankets and things. This is great for the beach. If you want to take some snacks along on the beach, put all your towels in here, your beach blanket. I mean, this is a big bag. I mean, look how huge this is. It has the mesh pockets on the side. It even has a zipper closure in the back, so you can fit even more stuff out here, like suntan lotions, maybe things that you don't want to mix in with your blankets and towels. So you can put your suntan lotions, sunglasses, your phone, keep everything in here. Nice deep pockets. And it has another mesh on the other side, and the top zips shut. Show you. Look how huge this is. This is so big. This is just a really huge big bag. I mean, I can fit my entire arm in here. So these are just some of the ways that you can get organized for the new year. This bag is perfect to be kept in a car. You know, sometimes I travel with my husband and we like to keep extra jackets and sweaters in the car and blankets. And a bag like this is perfect for that. So just a nice way to keep it looking neat inside the car. Maybe you have some things at home that you want to put away, some sweaters that you want to keep, and this is just nice for that as well. So look for these products. The company is called Thirtyone. They have a lot of beautiful bags, beautiful items. They even have wooden cutting boards and things like that, wallets, purses, any kind of little organized, customizable little items. Like I said, visit www.chattypattiesplace.com. I'll have some information for you on the website that you can go on and pick out some new items that you can give. Perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. You know, tell your husband, hey, instead of getting me a box of chocolate, get me something that I can use the whole year. You know, give me something useful that save you a little money. I mean, a box of chocolate costs you about $50. Why not get me a nice utility bag or a little purse that can get me through the whole year, that will be useful and something I can really use. So visit www.chattypattiesplace.com. You can also visit Thirtyone.com for more information on the Thirtyone products, and I'll have information for you on the website. And if you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to get back to you. If you're interested in becoming a consultant, you can also visit the website for that. I'll have information about that as well. So you have a great day.